Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Tech Insider. Today, we're diving deep into the rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We've got some juicy details to share, so let's jump right in. First up, it's rumored that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will sport a fresh new design. Goodbye boxy edges and hello rounded curves. This design change is sure to make the phone even more comfortable to hold. Photography enthusiasts, you'll be pleased to know that Samsung is said to be upgrading the camera system. Expect improved performance in low light conditions, making your nighttime shots even more stunning. Battery anxiety? Not with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The whispers suggest a larger battery capacity, ensuring you can go even longer between charges. No more searching for a charger halfway through the day. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, but with all these exciting features, it is worth the splurge. We'll let you decide. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a brighter OLED panel, enhancing visibility in direct sunlight. Say goodbye to squinting at your screen outdoors. And last but not least, charging speeds. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might support lightning fast charging, possibly up to 65 watt. Say hello to less waiting and more using. So there you have it, the tantalizing rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While these details are exciting, remember, there are still rumors until Samsung makes it official. Keep your eyes peeled for the official launch event and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates on this highly anticipated smartphone. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Insider. Until next time, stay tech savvy.